Congress has opposed FASTag being made applicable for Goan vehicles as there are no toll plazas in Goa. Congress also said the party will pursue disqualification petition against Vishwajit Rane in the Supreme Court. Congress President Girish Chodankar addressed media on Thursday wherein he said it's thoughtless to include Goan vehicles in the FASTag bracket as there are no toll plazas in the state and hardly any vehicle cross the border. FASTag is an electronic toll collection system in the country operated by the National Highway Authority of India. It employs radio frequency identification technology for making toll payments directly.
आता हो फास्टॅग इन्वॉल्व कित्याक करप? फास्टॅग इन्वॉल्व करप म्हणजे जो एक हे असतात टोल प्लाझा असतात ते टोल प्लाझाक लायन खूब लागता आणि टोल प्लाझा पेमेंट करपाक पडटा, फीज पेमेंट करपाक पडटा आणि तेजे नंतर ते एक स्मूथ हें जावचें म्हणून. पूण भारत सरकारान गोंयच्या लोकांक लुटपाचें हें षडयंत्र जें केल्लें आसा आनी आमचे गोंयचो जो बीजेपीचो सरकार आसा तो सरकार आमकां लुटपाक केंद्र सरकाराक मदत करता की गोंयांत टोल प्लाझा खंयच ना.
Girish said Congress will pursue the Vishwajit Rane disqualification case in the Supreme Court for violating the party whip. Vishwajit was elected on Congress ticket. He was asked to be present in the assembly and vote against the vote of confidence, but he did not obey. He subsequently resigned from Congress and joined BJP.
कारण विश्वजीत राणेन एक्चुअली क्रायम कमीट केल्ली. सबसिक्वेंटली ही मे रिजायन. बट दॅट मोमेंट जेन्ना ताणें आमचें हें आशिल्लें व्हीप आशिल्लो तो व्हीपच्या अगेन्स्ट वचून वोटींग केलें. सो देर द एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ कम्स इन टू फोर्स. द 10th शेड्युला प्रमाणे he gets disqualified at that moment. So he is liable for the punishment. So we will pursue that in the Supreme Court. It's at the will of the Supreme Court.
On the disqualification petition filed by Congress against 10 legislatures who defected to the BJP, Girish said the MLAs have produced forged documents and if the Speaker passes judgment in favor, he will be exposed. The Speaker order is expected on 12th of March.
आमकां खबर आसा की स्पिकराची जजमेंट कितें जातलो हें सगळ्यांक खबर आसा कारण तो भारतीय जनता पक्षाचो सदस्य आसा आनी तेगेली ऑर्डर खंयची आसतली सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. पूण ती ऑर्डर टील द टायम आमचे रेकॉर्ड्स मॅन्युप्युलेट करूं नाशिल्ले नाव दॅट दोज डॉक्युमेंट्स आर बिफोर हिम आनी ज्या दिसा मर्जर जाल्लें त्या दिसाक ते डॉक्युमेंट्स अवेलेबल नाशिल्ले त्या दिसा तेणी हें केल्लें की द 2/3 हॅज द पावर टू मर्ज. And based on those documents, the merger had happened. Subsequently, new documents discover जाले and ते documents म्हणटात की party merge जाले and party decision घेतलो म्हणून. Those documents are forged. So still, if the speaker gives the decision in their favor, then the speaker will get completely exposed.
365 from point G.